Good morning, students. This lesson is about MS Excel, that is Microsoft Excel. Okay, and so first of all, we'll have to open our first Excel file. But before that, we need to know what is Excel. It's nothing but a spreadsheet program that is used to record and analyze the numerical data. And that means we can do any numerical and mathematical calculations by with the help of MS Excel. I repeat, we can do any numerical and mathematical calculations with the help of MS Excel. Okay. So to open our first Excel file, we'll have to click on the search box on taskbar, and as you can see, and we'll have to type Excel over here. Okay, and now we will have to click on this particular icon. So now we got now we'll have to click on the blank workbook, and then we got opened our first worksheet named book 1. Okay, so by default we get only one worksheet, that is sheet 1, as you can see over here. But by clicking on this plus button, we can add many worksheets as we want, as many as possible. Okay, so I will discuss about that later on this session. So now you can see the worksheet is designed. Yeah, now this worksheet is designed with rows and columns. The rows are the horizontal ones. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. And the columns are like A, B, C, D, E, and so on. Okay. So now about the rectangular boxes. Okay. These rectangular boxes are called cells. Actually, the cells are the intersecting points between of the rows and the columns. Now, this is the active cell. Suppose this is the active cell. What is active cell? Active cell is where the cursor is lying. Okay. Here is the location of the active cell is C5. C is green, 5 is green. That means this active cell's location is, the location of this active cell is C5. And you can see also the location of the active cells over here. Over here. This is okay. Now that is all about the cells. Now going back to the tabs. Okay, so let's start with the tabs. By default we get 7 tabs over here: home, insert, page layout, formulas, data, review, view, and help. Okay, and this portion of your window of the Excel is called ribbon. And as you can see, the ribbon changes when we change the tabs. Okay, the content of the ribbon changes with the tabs. Okay, so on the ribbon of the home tab, on the ribbon, this is the ribbon of the home tab. So now just let me tell you what is home tab. Home tab actually contains about the formatting of the text and the designing and the commonly used Excel features like sorting and filtering, like formulas and etc. Okay, so first of all, I am starting with the home tab. Okay, So the home tab, on the home tab, on the ribbon of the home tab, the second group is font. The font group is nothing but to formatting the text. For an example, suppose let me type my name over here. Now this is that is what I typed, and now uh, we have selected this cell, and by clicking bold we can bold it, we can make it italic, we can make it underlined. Okay, and we can also change the colors of the text itself. Suppose the text became red, right, as you can see. And we can also put some background color over here by clicking this. As you can see, these are the background colors. So I'm using green over here, it's looking nice, I guess. So now the size and the font type. This is the font type, and suppose I can make the font type whatever I want, like suppose Cambria, Ambria. Okay, and now press the enter, and this text became in Cambria. Okay, and by clicking this one we can select any size, as you can see. And by clicking this, also by clicking this icon, the up arrow, by clicking this icon we can also increase the size, and by clicking this we can decrease the size. Okay, so and now this is about the borders. Suppose I am selecting, let me select the sales. Okay, I have selected such portion, and then I can I just put it over here. I just put the all borders. Okay, and now you can also suppose left border. You can see the left border. Can you see that? Okay, so now you can see I can also apply suppose bottom border. Now see the bottom border. Okay, so you can apply the borders over here. Okay, so this is all about the font group. So that's all for today, guys. Hope you all are fine, and stay at home, stay safe. Okay, goodbye. Have a nice day, students.